Welcome back, founders. In part 2 of this SBIR Phase I series, we're diving into the final essential steps to help you craft a standout SBIR application. From assembling an expert team to preparing a detailed budget, all the way towards submission. We're bringing it all together in this video. So if you're serious about securing over $300,000 of non-dilutive SBIR funding, then this video will give you all the tools you need to succeed. And if you haven't seen part 1 of the first 12 essential steps of crafting a compelling SBIR application, then make sure you to watch that video right after this one. And with that, let's jump to number 13, which is to showcase your preliminary data or feasibility studies. Preliminary data can be a game changer in your SBIR application. It shows reviewers that you already have done some groundwork and that your innovation has a strong foundation. For founders, this adds another layer of credibility and helps build the confidence for reviewers on your ability to deliver results. 14, make sure to review the solicitation's requirements carefully. Missing a single requirement in your proposal can lead to a disqualification or a withdrawal. So make sure to review the solicitation guidelines carefully to ensure you meet all the formatting, content, and submission criteria. For founders, this attention to detail demonstrates professionalism and increases your chances of making it to the review stage. Number 15, start early and stay organized. SBIR proposals have so many moving parts, and rushing for the last minute is a recipe for disaster. So starting early will give you the time to refine your ideas, gather the necessary materials, and to ensure everything is perfect and ready to go. So for founders, being organized means less stress and a high quality application that will reflect your best work in your SBIR application. 16, understand the eligibility requirements for the SBIR program. Before you even start crafting your SBIR application, you have to ensure your business checks all the marks. And this includes being a US-based company, a for-profit small business with fewer than 500 employees, and meeting other agency-specific criteria. Why this matters? Imagine spending weeks or months on an application only just to be disqualified because you overlooked the simple requirement. So knowing the rules upfront will save you time and effort while making sure you focus on what matters. Building a winning SBIR proposal. 17, choose the right principal investigator, or PI. The PI is more than just a name on your SBIR application, but rather they're the leader who will guide your project to success. And this person should have the technical expertise or leadership skills to oversee the research and communicate effectively with the stakeholders. And this is important for founders because reviewers want to see that the project is in capable hands. So a strong, committed PI will instill confidence in your SBIR application and demonstrate that your team has the necessary skill sets and leadership to deliver results. 18, highlight your innovation on paper. Your innovation is the heart of your proposal, and you need to make that shine in your SBIR application. So clearly define what makes your idea unique, how it differs from existing solutions, and why it matters to the bigger picture. And this is because federal agencies are looking to fund SBIR projects that not only pushes the boundaries, but can solve real problems. So if you can't convince reviewers that your idea is innovative and can deliver an impactful solution, then your SBIR application will struggle to stand out amongst the competition. 19, show a clear path to impact. So what do I mean by this? Beyond just selling a product or an idea, your goal in your SBIR application is to show that the innovation you propose to deliver will make a huge difference in people's lives, industries, or the US economy. To do so, you want to highlight the societal impacts or potential breakthroughs that your project would enable if successful. And this is important to founders to make sure that what they're proposing is aligned to the agency's missions and funding priorities. And they want to see a clear path to impact because they want to invest in founders and technologies that can make meaningful change. 20, demonstrate technical feasibility. Reviewers need to know that your project is achievable. To do so, provide evidence from feasibility studies, preliminary data that you've developed, or prototypes that you have demonstrated the concept works. And this matters because technical feasibility proves that you're not just dreaming, but rather you are capable of delivering. And this builds confidence for the reviewers in your ability to achieve the promised outcomes. 21, address risks and propose mitigated plans. Every project has technical and commercial risks, along with financial, operational, everything up the gamut. So instead of just ignoring them, identify potential challenges and outline strategies to overcome them in your SBIR application. And why this matters? It's easier to be upfront about these risks, and it shows that you're realistic and well prepared to handle them. Reviewers want to see in your SBIR applications that you thought through critically how to overcome these potential obstacles and have a plan in place to ensure successful outcomes. 22, collaborate with strategic partners. Partnerships with academic institutions, research organizations, or industry experts add significant value to your SBIR project. They can bring expertise, resources, and even more credibility to your application. And why this matters? Forming these strategic partnerships can demonstrate that you are leveraging the best possible resources to execute on your project. And this not only strengthens your SBIR application, but it shows that you built a huge network to support your long-term success. 23, tailor your language for the reviewers. Not all SBIR reviewers will be the expert in your space, and that's important to keep in mind. So that means for you founders, it is critical to strike a balance between technical details as well as articulating your ideas using clear, accessible language. If reviewers can't understand or appreciate your innovation, they just won't fund it. So writing in a way that's both informative and engaging ensures that your proposal will be aligned to the broader audience. 24, align your metrics with clear milestones. Define clear milestones and success metrics in your SBIR application shows that your project is well planned and results driven. For example, specify how you'll measure progress, such as achieving technical deliverables or securing market validation. And this matters because metrics and milestones make your proposal concrete. Reviewers can exactly see what you're aiming for to achieve and when. And this adds so much credibility and validity to your SBIR proposal. And last but not least, 25, craft a strong executive summary. Your executive summary will be the first impression that reviewers will have on your SBIR application. These types of summaries should include covering the problem, your solution, the innovation, and market potential. And this matters because a strong executive summary hooks reviewers right away. If they're intrigued from the start, they're more likely to approach the rest of your SBIR application with enthusiasm, giving you an edge over the less engaging proposals. And with that, thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. If you found any of these tips helpful, I would greatly appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can learn new ways to keep your equity throughout your fundraising journey. And also don't forget to check out our website at keepyourequity.co for our resources, templates, and advice on how you can secure non-dilutive funding. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in a video very soon.